You might come across a situation where you want to replace primary 50, one of the token, with secondary 50. But when you run this exercise, you will not able to see the secondary 50. Let me show you how we can resolve this thing. So I have a file here. I will scan this file. So I will open this find and replace variable plugin and try to scan the current page which we have right now. And you will see I have 6 variable found here, and these are all the variable which are used. So let me select primary slash 50 and hit on the replace button. But when I open and I try to load, I have only 6 variable which is showing up here. I am unable to see the variable which is secondary slash 50. However, this variable is present in my library. So this library is connected with this particular file which is exploring the variable, and this file is connected. So if I go to the variable section of my library, it has 120 tokens. Out of that, approx 99 tokens are of color, and you will find here we do have a secondary variable token which is secondary slash 50. Now, how you can overcome this thing, and what is the reason that why it is not showing up? First of all, let me close this thing. So there is a limitation, or I will say this is how the Figma API has been standardized as of now, and that is absolutely fine. And we can overcome this challenge in a very simple way. So what happens is, whatever the variable you have used in this file will get scanned and the number will trying to show up. However, in this file, we have not used secondary 50 anywhere, and we don't have to use it forcefully. All you have to do is put a reference of that color in one of the page. So the best way to do this thing is, so this is my library, and here I have all the tokens, and here are the reference of that particular token. I will just copy this one, go to this reference page, and make a paste. Now what this will do is, this will allow me to use all of this color. Fine, because after all, this all colors are referencing to the same library. That's it. As simple as that. Now, if I run the plugin once again, if I go to the page 1, here if I go and run the plugin find and replace variable and scan, you will see 6 variable. That's fine. I will go to the primary 50, go to the replace. But this time I'm not seeing the 6 variable. I see 99 of them. And if I click on load, it will try to load all of this thing right here. And here I can see secondary 50. And if I hit on replace, it will replace it right away. Yeah, thank you for watching it.